Hello, welcome to my January 30th video update. We're planning another vacation trip, and now you know what that means. I've got to figure out what gear I'm going to take. Right off the bat, I know I'm going to take my Cooper Slim 13. Love this bag with the normal things that I take or have taken on recent trips. But I've got some new things now. I have two new cameras since that last trip. One of them is the Insta360 One 360 camera, which didn't come in time last time, and it's a rather small package even when I put it in this little case, so it's a definite go. And then one of the things about the 360 One camera is the very fact that I got it because I wanted to use it on trips and place it in a central plaza or whatever when we visit cities and so on, and have it capture an image or multiple images or even some short videos of those places. So this will give me a chance to experiment with that idea. And I will also take the selfie stick tripod that I have, the Yi camera, because I'm recording today's episode with the little Yi wide angle action camera. And I'll take that stand, and it serves well to hold the Insta360 One as well as my iPhone and anything light like that. And then the second camera, so that's a definite go, that's going. The second camera is the one that's attached to my little DJI Spark drone. I'm debating about this. When it's folded up, it's not very large, and it comes with its own nice little case in the Fly More combo package. So that, an extra battery and the controller fit in that bag very nicely. And we're driving by car to Florida, so it's not going to be as big a deal as when you're trying to figure out what you can take on a plane. So this trip is going to be 2 weeks on a ship in the Caribbean and a visit with my sister-in-law in Florida before we come home. So jury's still out on the drone. And then a third thing is not new, but my Zhiyun Smooth-Q gimbal. And again, it comes in its own nice little case and is easy enough to carry over my shoulder even with these other bags. And so it's going to be a go as well. And then there's one fourth entry to the group, and that is this Olympus TG Tough Tracker. I forget exactly what the name of it is, but it's a little wide angle video and stills action camera. It has an extremely wide angle and has another lens you can put on it too. But more importantly, it's waterproof, so you can take it in the water. I've never taken it in the water. So we hope to do some snorkeling, so it might be kind of fun to have this along. It'll also do time lapses. So again, it has its own little case and doesn't take up a whole lot of space, so I think this is probably definitely a go. Other than that, I'll take what I took with me to Italy. The EM5 Mark II, which I was using to record the things on the table here, that's going to go, and I'll take the 12 to 40 lens that's on it right now, plus the Panasonic 35 to 100. Gives me a little range, so I have 12 millimeters through 100 millimeters, which is really 24 to 200 millimeters. And then just for fun, this Rokinon 7.5 wide angle lens. It takes kind of weird pictures, but they're kind of fun as well. So I think I'll take that. It doesn't take up much room. And of course, my potpourri of bags and things with recording equipment, wires, microphones, and this flash. I'm going to take the small flash so I can, if I do need to use a flash, I have it with me. So that's my plan for when we go on this trip as to what I'm going to take. I have another bag actually for the drone, another container, a case for it. That'll be the topic of next week's video update. So I'll look forward to seeing you then. And for today, goodbye and thank you.